Harbor Freight FastenPro 3-way tacker stable gun kit. So I'm using this T50 style stables, which is this one here, 3/8 of an inch. And there are two other brand nails and the U-shaped styles. So what I did was I just, this is very easy. All you have to do is just press down and then you can see you pull. So I just inserted this 3/8 of an inch stables, and then I just it will work on this thick bow so it didn't, I don't, am I supposed to do something before I hit it? Okay, so this is how you work this. Basically I adjusted this steps to until I can clockwise down to push it down, and then I also took this out all the way out and put the stables in. So it looks like it's working. Now this one is a little bit thick. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's working perfectly fine, you know. I'm almost done. So I went around this. This is the plywood, and now it looks like it's okay. It's working. I went around. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all fine. Now this one is going to be very, very big. So let's test to see if this is going to work. Oh, I'm impressed. This actually went in. This one went in too. This one should go in. Yeah, this one went in too. I am impressed. Okay, this one went in too, so. Okay. I'm gonna try to. This is the Harbor Freight stable gun. So I'm going to try to use the Harbor Freight Stable gun. 2. Stable. You can see it. It's no problem. What happened? So now I can cut it. It's not the best looking holster, but it will do. most of them was able to get on no problem. So there you have it. So this is the Harbor Freight FastenPro item 62992 3-way tacker stable gun kit, multi-purpose. So there's this T50 style stables, U-shape stables, brad nail stables. So I just finished using a roll of T50 stables. Now I'm gonna load a second batch of the T50. I'm gonna show you how to use this thing. So basically, this is how it came. When it first came, it's like this. All you have to do is just press this down, press this in and down, and pull this thing out, because this is the thing that load the stables. So all you have to do is you just insert it in there and then push this down and then up, and then it will lock it in. And then all you have to do is just point and stable. So you can see it's pretty good. Just point and stable. So point and stable. See that? It's pretty good. Point and stable. So so I got this bolt cushion installed. Not the prettiest, but hey, it beats sewing the cushions in. So this is the Harbor Freight 3-way FastenPro is the brand tacker stable gun kit. It came with the T50 stables, which is 3/8 of an inch long, and also the brad nails, 3/8 of an inch long. And where's the last one? There's another one. There's 3 stables. Anyway, so 3/500 pieces of stable. Oh, it's here. It's half an inch long, 1/4 inch U-shaped stables. So there's a T50 stables, U-shaped stables, and the brad nail stables. 3/8 of an inch is just a shy of half an inch. Okay, so there you have it.